One of the teaching strategies I use all the time in my classrooms are these organizers. This is how I use them. For example, we're reviewing ionic and covalent bonds today. This is what the students see at their lab stations, and the first thing they have to do is they have to take everything out. The students have to organize these cards into either an ionic or covalent bond. For example, this shows a covalent bond, while this shows an ionic bond. After the students are done, they have to check their work using the answer key I provide them. For instance, you can see this one shouldn't be in this column, and this one should be over here in this column. So this is how they check their work and assess how they did. For today's lesson, I actually have two versions of this. I actually have three versions, but I'm only using two. You can see this version is the same content, it just looks a little bit different. I've been spending the past couple years making these organizers, and when I tell you I spent a lot of time, these are just for one unit in AP Biology. These are just my chemistry ones. I try to organize them into these containers, and as you can see up here, I have tons and tons of these organizers. These are really quick activities that help the students go through repetition of the content, and I absolutely love starting a class or ending a class with them. If you're looking for these resources, check online. They're for free on my Teacher Pay Teachers, but I use a lot of the content and organizers that I do on these TikToks. So check my playlist. I use a lot of them to make the question and quizzes ones that I make on here.